Final video to fix Spotify keeps pausing in Discord, and if your music stops unexpectedly, let me ask you, are you playing Spotify while on Discord and noticing songs pause randomly or won't continue? This problem usually happens because Discord's activity status conflicts with Spotify, authorization tokens expire, or network settings interrupt streaming. Sometimes recent updates or background apps also trigger this issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated token refreshes, risky app reinstalls, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't solve the problem. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of disconnecting or reinstalling apps blindly, we fix the exact Spotify Discord connection, an authorization path that causes songs to pause. This works because it restores proper communication between both apps. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups once you apply it. Spotify plays continuously while Discord runs. Songs no longer pause, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If Spotify pausing in Discord is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.